How to connect a speaker in Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Settings app. Use shortcut key Window plus I to open Settings. Go to System and simply choose Sound. After that, you will see two options, headphones or speaker. Simply toggle on speaker and go to Add Device. After that, in Add a New Device, choose the option of Bluetooth and then after choose Speaker. Once you do, Bluetooth will toggle on your device and you will be able to connect to your speaker. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.